In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on ClickUp. We'll walk through two reliable ways to bring a deleted task back, starting from the very beginning so nothing feels confusing. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp, then open the official ClickUp website. Once you're signed in and looking at your workspace, locate any task you're comfortable using for this demonstration. To show you how undo works, we'll delete this task on purpose. Click the task's options and choose Delete. Then confirm by clicking Delete again in the prompt. Right after you confirm, look for a small notification that appears along the bottom or top of the screen. This banner lets you know the task was deleted, and it includes an undo button. Click Undo. That instantly restores the task to its original location with its details intact. This is the fastest method, but it's time-sensitive, so act quickly before the banner fades. If you missed the banner, don't worry, there's another way. Let's delete the same task again so you can see the full recovery process. After confirming the deletion, you'll see a notification that the task was moved to trash. Click the trash link right from that message, or navigate to your workspace's trash area if you're already familiar with where it lives in your ClickUp layout. In the trash, find the deleted task you want to recover. Click the three-dot menu next to that task and select Restore. The task will return to where it came from, typically the same list or space, along with its core information. A few helpful tips as you do this. The undo banner is great for quick fixes, but it's temporary by design, which is why the trash is your safety net. You may need the right permissions to delete or restore tasks, so if you don't see these options, check with your workspace admin. If your trash contains many items, use sorting or search to locate the task faster. And after restoring, double-check the original list to confirm everything looks correct. That's it. You now know the immediate undo option using the notification banner, and the more thorough recovery path via trash and restore. Use the first when you catch an accidental deletion right away, and rely on the second when the moment has passed.